The Xiaomi 70 Ultra is a photography powerhouse. There will be a massive 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. This lens is 35% larger than the one on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It features LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display, flat display with heavily rounded corners. Smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3nm chipset, and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. RAM will be 12 GB. There will be an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Battery will be massive one. It will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.